Here's how you can create this using Canva. First, we're going to start with the product. Like this is a blank page. I'm using a simple size of 1080 by 1350, and I'm going to now centralize it because I'm trying to create a neat effect for this design. Now I'm going to add leaves to this design. The idea is to make it is a nature organic product. So I'm adding leaves at the edge by searching for leaves in element. This already has shadow on it, so there was no need for me to use the shadow effect. Now we're going to duplicate the page. It's this page that we're going to start seeing the effect of the motion. So I'm going to rearrange the leaves and now separate the cover from the main product. Do you understand? Moving it to the topmost part, while the bottom part, I'm going to move it to the bottom. A quick note: this particular image or product image was something I just joined together. So just for the purpose of this tutorial. Right now, I'm going to start adding text, which we already know how to do. Just type in the text. I'm duplicating the text and reducing transparency by clicking on transparency. I reduced to 42, I think 56. Then I duplicated the second one and then rearranged it to be neat, and then reduce the transparency of that also to a point that it's less visible than the previous one, but still visible enough for you to see, right? Now in Elements, search for shop now. Remember, you can type it for, let's just say that I was just being lazy. So shop test for shop now. I'm going to see different variations of this particular text or feature. So I went for something easy and that to be very easy for me to edit. Chose a dark color like the dark green color I've been using throughout for the text, so that it is also going to fit the text color. Right, I use the exact color of both the text for that shop now. Click in between the pages to get transition. There you're going to select the match and move transition. The idea is to give that match and move transition, but I wanted it to look very professional, like we used a good editing software. Let me show you what I mean by using match and move does not look that professional. Can you see? It's just going to be simple like that. But before we forget, we need to animate the text before we do the final form of there's no order for it, but I just wanted to animate the text. So select the old text, right, and then choose an animation that you like. For me, I just decided to go for shift animation. Funny enough, I've never used this type of animation, or I tend to not use it a lot in my design. But for this, I just kind of liked how it looked, and then I chose on enter. I always choose on enter most times when I'm doing general use of different animations. So on enter, now I'm going to I also animated the shop now using pop, because I want to make this whole shot look professional. We're going to create our animation, and this is simply just creating a direction that you want your animation to go. So to make your animation smooth, like a straight line, select the shift icon or the shift button on your keyboard while you move the direction or product to the exact direction that you want. Then click on smooth or steady to give a seamless look. Like just let it look very clean. So I chose steady, right, because with the shift icon I already had a smooth direction. All I needed was it to look very steady. So I clicked on steady, right? Okay, now we're going to do the other side, or we're going to animate the other side so that it looks really good and fits what we're trying to do. Again, select create animation and then move it towards the opposite direction so that we can get exactly what we want to achieve. Click on steady so that the transition is very smooth. You can click on smooth again, it's based on your perspective, but for this I chose steady because I already clicked on the shift button when I was creating my shift button. That's on the keyboard. That was when I was creating my movement, so it already had a smooth movement. You need to try to see what I'm saying. Okay, now that we have achieved the transition that we want, I want to show you guys what we have created so far. So I didn't like the timing between the pages. I'm going to correct that now. Click on the first page and then adjust the timing to be very small, so that it gives a very short loop doing your the animation of the video. So I reduced it to 1.1 seconds for the first page, and now you can see it's faster. I would like you to recreate this, post and tag me so that I'll be able to share it on my own page. A subscription to this page will mean a lot to me, and you can also share with your friends. Till another time, bye.